Hello children, in this class we will discuss Social Studies Workbook, Review Corner, page 84a. Take the correct option. 1. Which of these is a manufactured good? Options are cotton plant, sari. The answer is sari. Sari is manufactured in industries by using raw materials. 2. Which is a means of mass communication? The answer is option A, newspaper. Newspaper is a means of mass communication. Why? Because through newspaper, the same information can be shared to large number of people at once together. 3. Who was the ruler of Mewar? That is option B, Maharana Pratap. Maharana Pratap was the ruler, was the king of Mewar. He was a Hindu Rajput king. 4. Which of these was established by Mother Teresa? That is option B, Nirmal Hriday. Nirmal Hriday was established by Mother Teresa. Why? To provide home for the homeless people who lives on the street. 5. Which was the other name used to call Rabindranath Tagore? What was the other name of Rabindranath Tagore? Gurudev, option A. B. Match the columns. 1. The first tools were made from this. The first tool used by the early humans were made from, that is option D, stone. Next, 2. Place where fossils are kept. The answer is museum. Option E. What are my fossils? That is the remains of plants and animals which turn into rocks. So some of the rocks are kept in museum. Next, 3. Work done to earn living. So it is called occupation. What is my occupation? Occupation is the work done to earn living, to earn money. 4. First vehicle used for transport. Which was the first vehicle used for transport by the early humans? Raft. They made raft from wood to cross rivers, to travel through water. 5. Study of the past. It is called history. What do you mean by history? History is the study of the past. C. Find an odd one in each line and write the reason why it is odd. So 4 options are given here for each and every questions. Among these 4 options, 3 options are similar and 1 option is not the same, not similar with the other 3. So we have to find out the odd one and write why it is odd, why it is not similar from the other 3. First one, letter, television, telephone, email. The other one is letter, circle letter. What is the reason? Write the reasons in the given blank. It is not a modern mode of communication. Television, telephone, email. All these 3 are modern means of communication, but letter is not a modern means of communication. That is the reason letter is odd in these options. 2. Coin, inscription, monuments, timeline. Which is the odd one? Timeline. Circle timeline. Why? Because coin, inscription, monuments. Through this we get information about whatever happened in the past, about the history. And timeline is not a source of history. Coin, inscription, monuments, it is a source of history. So the reason, write the reason in this way, that it is not a source of history. Timeline is not a source of history. Timeline is a record of all the important events whatever happened in the past in sequence. 3. Cultivate, wave, flower, shirt. Which is the other one? The other one is flower. Why? Because it is only thing that is not connected to the process of making a shirt. All the other 3, that is cultivate, wave and shirt, these are connected to the process of making shirt, but flower is not connected to the process of manufacturing shirt. Next, 4. Road, rail, air, visa. Which is the other one? Visa. Circle visa. Why? Because it is not a means of transport but permission to enter other countries. If we want to go to other countries, we need to take permission, that is visa. Okay. Without permission, without visa, we cannot enter to other countries. But road, rail, air, these are means of transport. So that is the reason visa is the odd one. Next 5. Mother Teresa, Mahavir, Maharana Pratap, Gurudev. Which is the odd one? Mahavir. Why? Because among these 4 options, only Mahavir was only the religious leader. Okay. So circle Mahavir and write the reason in the given blank. So dear children, I hope you understood about review corner exercise A, B and C. In our next class, we will discuss exercise D, answer the following questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.